So right now I'm recording in the DJI Mic Mini. Uh, so all the previous videos in which I shot to test out the mic, my bad was the noise reduction was in the high settings, not to the mic but in the Action 4. The Osmo Action, the noise reduction was set to high. I don't know how it is, but by mistake or if that's the default what it goes whenever it connects, or if I did not notice it, but my bad, it was like that. So the voice and the audio all came very weird in an artificial way. So this is, you could say, a proper testing. Now no noise reduction is on either in the DJI Mic Mini or nor in the Action 4. I was off the noise reduction in the audio menu in the Action 4. So I don't think now it should be a problem. So what was I saying? So the Mic Mini, like I said, I got it for 9,500, including all the card discounts and everything. I don't know what is the price exactly right now, but maybe this was some kind of clearance sale for DJI, because at 16,000 I don't think many people would buy it unless and until they know they have that DJI ecosystem. Because at 12,000 and 12 to 30,000 of budget, you get the Holy Land Lark Mark II. So obviously, if you are a content creator and everything, people will choose the Holy Land only, and that's what happened. You might see a round circle kind of a mic in most of the YouTubers, right? So that is the Holy Land. It became very popular because of its price range, because of the quality it provides and everything, while the DJI lagged in terms of only cost, but the audio quality is better in the DJI Mic Mini. Right now also it is connected via Osmo audio, that is wirelessly, without any wires. The Mic Mini is connected to the DJI Action 4, and the audio quality is pretty good. Even in the noise reduction, it is not like unusable. DJI Mic Mini, apart from the price, the performance and everything, the DJI Mic Mini is better than the Holy Land. So that's the reason. Now also, just like I said, it is connected via Osmo audio, and believe me, this is a lifesaver, man. I don't know how much to thank for DJI, because if you are coming from a GoPro environment and all that setup, and if you are coming to use the DJI Osmo Action camera and the Mic Mini setup, believe me, you're gonna feel like heaven, because you switch on the DJI Action cam and you switch on the Mic Mini. The Mic Mini and the Action cam will automatically pair. Like, of course you should pair for the first time, but from the second time you switch on the Action 4 and you switch on the Action Mic Mini. Done. It is connected. In the Action 4 Action Cam itself, it shows. In the Action 4 itself, it shows the battery level and everything of the Mic Mini, and it shows the audio levels, and you could also set the gain and everything in the Action Cam. There are a lot of settings inside the Action Cam only, so you need not open your mobile or anything to set up the mic separately. So that's something, you know, which is like a heaven, because GoPro people know with that mic adapter, with that mic, a lot of wires, and that battery also used to be not so, you know, long lasting. So I used to connect a power bank to that mic adapter itself. I used to carry the power bank inside my jacket. It was so heavy, all that setup, all the wires are tangling. I used to get very frustrated in the rides. The moment, you know, I enjoy all the scenery and everything, and the moment I feel like I should capture those moments, it used to not switch on. First thing, even if it switches on, the audio wouldn't record, man. That is the biggest issue that I found. The audio record glitch, and also the video glitch. Like, the video would go on, it will capture the audio, but the video gets stuck at one frame. You know, these kind of things used to happen regularly in the GoPro. I got really frustrated, man. Honestly, I was so pissed. You know, because whenever I go for a ride with some friends, and when I capture some good things, it's all gone. So that is one thing which I'm honestly very, 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 very relieved. With this setup, it records whenever you hit record. It stops whenever you need to stop. You know, doesn't overheat. No shenanigans. The quality is really nice. Pair it with a nice ND filter. Color grade it. The video quality comes so good. The audio quality already I have figured out, both wired and wireless. I've kept the wired mic with me only just for the sake of keeping it for emergency purpose or anything like that. But I must tell you, man, with this setup, I don't think I'm going to go back to any other action cam. I'm so glad that I did not buy the Insta360, what is that, Ace and Ace Pro 2, Ace Pro or Ace Pro 2. Honestly, because if I got that, I would have connected the same Mic Mini via Bluetooth, but this wouldn't be, this is not the kind of quality you get with Bluetooth. So this is something beyond Bluetooth, you know. It's like almost there is a receiver for the Mic Mini inside the action cam itself, and it is receiving that high quality audio. I'm so glad that I got the Action 4 for the kind of price I got, and for the features, and for the kind of performance it is delivering. Man, I'm mighty impressed. Mic Mini, awesome. So if you want to know how the audio sounds when the noise reduction is in high, I will play that audio too. I mean, I will play those videos as well. There are a lot of videos. There is a lot of footage, because the whole day I recorded with that setting, and it just messed up the audio. I recorded like a beautiful scenery and everything, but can't help. It is what it is. So I will mix and match this and that. So please don't mind. So even if you are looking to get the mic, I think now is the best time. For 9,500 with the card discount, that is. Without the card discount, I think it is around 10,500. That is what the price was. With the card discount, I got for 9,500. So for that price, I don't think anything can beat. In terms of wireless connection, this is huge. So with that, I will end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Unboxing and all, I don't know whether I will show it or not, because there are thousands of videos on YouTube on what you get. So I got the 2 transmitters and a receiver, the whole kit. So it is pretty standard, and you get a Type-C adapter with that. You get a TRS2, I think, that cable as well, the jack cable, which you can use to connect it to the mirrorless cameras or any other DSLRs. And you get a charging cable, USB-A to Type-C. That's it. That is what you get in the box. You get the box which charges everything. Now yesterday the whole day I recorded for I think 3-4 hours, 3-4 hours of record time, and still the battery in the Mic Mini is around 60%. So